1990 siya actually nag-start. So, we're the third owner, and then it was passed on to us. I think the owner before, high school pa ako at that time, I was studying in Saint Hope. It's the same table, same chairs. I think there were a group of friends who started it all. And then yung next owner is parang couple. And then kami na yung next. So it's not really us who made it originally. The cook, the main cook is from the first owner pa. So she went from the first to the third to the second to the third owner. So basically she knows all the dishes. And then the food that we've been serving is since 1990. Since 1990 pa. This area is not really more on into food. It's like parang tambayan area. So yung previous owners, parang that's their market talaga, students. Cooking food is like a relationship. So it's a relationship with the food and a relationship with the students around. When I was, parang tambay din ako before, in college. So, I was telling the second owner na if I want to have a business, gusto ko parang something like this. Pero I didn't know na magiging kami yung owner eventually. Kasi nakakabata. You won't get old. Kasi syempre, when you work in the corporate world, lahat ng kasama mo, mga matatanda. So here is, you get to know other people na younger than you, pero technically they're smarter also, and you will learn a lot of things from them. The sellers, I think kasi madaming guys, so meat talaga, like T-bone, tenderloin, beef talaga. More on meat side. The chicken for the ladies naman. At first, Aftertaste, that's the first name, and then Tattle and Treats, that's the second name. So we kept the name Tattle kasi tattle means talking. The first thing that it comes to mind is doon tayo magkita.